riding the bikes. I've never taken this trail. Yeah! Hello everybody! Hello everybody, it's a new day here in Seoul. Nope, it's not in Seoul anymore. Hello everybody, it's a new day here in Stuttgart, Germany. Yep, I'm back in Germany. My time in Korea has come to an end, sadly. I have so much footage before I left Korea. I just didn't have any time to edit them and upload them because I had some projects too, so I put them up first. So now I was wondering what to do with this footage. So I thought I'm gonna make a series. I'm gonna compile some of the stuff that I did by groups. So today's video is gonna be all about workout fun. I found my joy in working out in Korea. I'm not a gym person. I don't really like working out where you just sweat. I like to have fun while I do something for my health. I have 4 parts in this video. So let's get started with the first one. Hello everybody, it is a new day here in Seoul, South Korea. Today I'm gonna go to Hangang Park. I'm gonna meet 2 of my friends, Anne-Marie and Eldad. I met Anne-Marie at dance studio, HY dance studio, and I met Eldad at school. And we go to the same church. Tribal print t-shirt, shorts, and my Your Philippine days? Very good. Yes, I got engaged, everybody. Wow. Congratulations, buddy. This is us today, the 3 of us. You introduce yourself.
I'm Alda Balthazar. I'm 20 years old. I'm from Indonesia.
And where did we meet?
In school.
In school. Songgyeongkwan.
CCC.
No, yeah.
Right?
No, we
exactly
met.
place.
No, we met somewhere else. Introduction. I presented.
Oh yeah, I see that. Yeah.
With my
But
red hair.
Really cool.
My name is David. I'm a Filipino from Germany. You guys, I want his hair. It's so nice. he did it himself.
And it's like some kind of experiment.
Yeah, that's how we bonded because we saw each other's hair and we're like, yes. Chilled, had something to eat. We're going to rent some bikes. We're gonna bike around Hangang Park. Riding the bikes.
Never thought that we'd go this far. Don't stop now. Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe and home? So that I counting days until the second blow. If you're gonna make a change, you have to let me know.
When you come here by subway, usually you have to get off exit 2 to get straight down to the park. But go out exit 3 because at exit 2, there's not just 1 or 2 or 5 ajumas. It's gonna be like a gang, okay? The ajuma gang is waiting to give you the flyers. And I mean, if you want to order chicken, fine, just take it.
Pizza.
But if you're gonna go with this, like, no. See that? That's what you're gonna get, and just imagine a lot of it. We want to go get something to drink. Where we're going to Iman.
Iman,
We're having grapefruit, we've got mango, and we got peach. Together we are D-A-N-A-N-E-L. Together that's Daniel. Like panel. So guys, I have this friend. This friend's name will not be mentioned, but this friend sits sitting there. And this friend has made a promise to expose me
Expose you into what?
on my wedding day.
Yeah, I'm gonna expose your whole self.
She's gonna expose all the things that I did here in Korea. Nobody called you, you're just pretending. Don't even. I don't understand. Oh. 여보세요.
He's not even talking to anyone.
See, it just shut down.
He's just hopping like that.
Who did you call? 여친?
No.
여사친.
How do you know that word?
So after Hangang, you'll see my hair changes now. It will change the hair color. Because after Hangang, I think that was the last thing that I did. I went to Jeju. And then I uploaded that first. So if you haven't seen that, I'm sorry guys. I'm the worst at keeping it in a chronological order. But you know me. I am not the type who likes to vlog and do stuff and then edit right away coming home. I like to live in the moment. I vlog, yes. I capture the moments, yes. I do not edit right away because I just want to enjoy my time with friends and not being all stressed out about I need to edit. So yeah, sorry you have to see this so late. When I met Anne-Marie and Eldad at Hangang, we went cycling. And besides that, I also do my usual workout. So it's a little bit more like the classical workout, and I do that at the Namsan area. And this time I went with 2 peeps. It's all ours, everybody. Okay guys, I've never taken this trail. It's okay, I feel like halfway there. We're going up to, where is it? There, Namsan. Kaya mo yan guys, push mo lang. You can do it. We made it! We made it! What's your name? Made it. Moving on to the third one. The last few weeks before I came back to Germany, I found a group of Indonesians thanks to my friend Eldad and Hagwang. I joined their Badminton Fellowship, so I went there twice. I didn't have that much time left before I went back to Germany, so I also went badminton, playing badminton, and it was super fun. Good morning everybody, it's a new day here in Seoul, South Korea, and it's super early. I didn't get much sleep because of this guy. I'm going to go play badminton. What's your sport? Comment down below. Seoul. How have you been doing? How have you been doing? It's just too early for a Saturday for me. DDP, what's good? Blackpink in your area. He was a skater boy. I see you later, boy. Oh, this is for working out. Oh, this park is nice. Nice. Beautiful. Like diamonds in the sky. We're gonna play badminton here, everybody. Here we are, everybody. Someone's nervous because he hasn't played before. Kalau dia profesional. Okay guys, I didn't film, but we just played Hagwang lost. Loser. Winner. Loser. Cannot ask people to film, it's so strange, but yeah. Just won. He lost twice. I only lost once.
Because I love twice.
I lost once because I was with him. So everybody, this is the Indonesian brothers.
Hi. Apa kabar?
Here we're having badminton.
Salamat po.
So everybody, after playing, we're gonna have lunch now. We're gonna have Chinese food. Are we going to Novotel Ambassador Seoul Dongdaemun?
Nearby.
And everybody, we got free mandu. Lunchtime, everybody. Lunchtime. That's nice meal. So hot. We are at DDP right now. I just love this place. I'm gonna take my children in there. Looks like so much fun. I love this place. Let's get it. Good morning everybody, it's a new day here in Seoul, South Korea. And today I'm back at playing badminton with the Indonesians. Still super hot here. Woo! There's like, it's like a heat wave here. Anyway, going in and let's see if I can film today. It just feels weird to film when I'm playing. Yeah! Here, team no control. I will not record this is embarrassing. Every time I play with him, we lose. I think it's the curse because he doesn't accept that he's half Korean.
I'm not Korean. I'm not Korean. I'm not Korean. I'm not Korean.
He's half Korean, half Indonesian. And he's in denial.
Shout out to all Indonesian viewers.
He's actually Chinese.
In Davlorito's YouTube channel. Halo Indonesia, salam, apa kabar? Nama saya Hakwan.
He's Peape. Chinese buddies. Herping.
I'm Chinese too. 1/4 you, 1/4 Chinese.
Minghai Herping. Korean dude. Edward.
Hi.
Honey. May.
Hi.
Michael. That's not your name. Evan. Joanne. I'm David, in case you did not know. Chaël kayo. Ordered T-Rex.
Yeah.
T-Rex.
Yeah.
Next one would be I like to go do some activities. Some of you may have seen I went to the Dynamic Maze and I also went to Sports Monster. If you haven't, check out here, or it's going to be in the description box, you can find those. So this time I went to an archery cafe with Iman. If you don't know Iman, she is a cool person. She is a YouTuber just like me. Her channel is bigger than mine. She lives in Korea. She lives in Seoul. Check out her channel. You can also find it in the description box. And we enjoyed our time together at the archery cafe. I didn't film that much because we ended up talking about everything and so much because we didn't see each other in a while.
That looks awesome.
She just sealed the deal. A lot of wear.
And we're the most
Done. Yay, I haven't gotten a bullseye. It's so annoying.
Me either, but this is an
But hey, 9. I got 9 and Iman has improved so much. Like these are from her previous
I
shot.
know.
But look at this, guys.
I know.
Look.
I got 110 point. Oh. Okay.
You guys check this out. My last round was so good. 1 in the 10. Yeah, 3 in the 9s. And Iman also hit the 10. I think we're good. We're good. We're good. So I hope you guys enjoyed that archery part. If you are interested in any activities in Seoul, I have some discount links down below. I have to say you will get the discount anyway, but if you use my links, I'll get a little bit of commission, just a teensy tiny, like not much. It's really not that much, but you'll get the discount nevertheless, so it doesn't make a difference whether you do it via Google or go on the site by yourself or you go through my links. The only difference will be you'll support me, so you don't lose. It's a win-win situation. I hope you guys enjoyed this weird spontaneous type of video. If you did, you know, and subscribe to see more. And if you have any suggestions or any questions, please let me know. Trying to give my channel a kind of small makeover, or trying to find my channel's identity, but that's gonna be on another video. So other than that, I wish you all a good morning, good afternoon, a good evening, wherever you may be. See you soon. Adios. Kumai.